We all remember those iconic Victoria's Secret models. Not the recent ones, I'm talking about the OGs back in 2016. There was just something different about them. They had the whole world low-key obsessed. So obviously, I had to dig. What was their secret? Was it just genetics, glam squads, and a sprinkle of $100,000 surgeries? Or was there something more going on? Well, I went down the rabbit hole, as always. And let me tell you, those girls had an entire formula this whole time. But don't worry, because your sis is about to spill everything. Starting with what grabs everyone's attention first. Every girl always wanted the signature bombshell blowout the Victoria's Secret models are known for. Thick, healthy hair with volume isn't just pretty, it's magnetic. But let's be real, we don't all have a glam team or a pro stylist on call like the Angels did. A cute overnight heatless blowout is the easiest way to get the bombshell hair. It's all over TikTok and it works like magic if you do it the right way. I mean, when I tried it myself for the first time, I look like a dirty rat. Here's how to not do that. Start with clean, straight hair and part it into 3 sections. For wrapping, apply small amounts of lightweight mousse all over each section. This helps the curls hold better and prevents your hair from slipping while wrapping. Using a soft and large curling rod like this one, wrap each section and secure. Always sleep in a satin bonnet or scarf, not just to protect the curls, but for a shiny and frizz-free blowout. In the morning, gently remove the rods, flip your head over, fluff your roots, and separate the curls with your fingers. There you have it, your own DIY instant bombshell blowout. But Victoria's Secret models don't just rely on styling. Their hair is naturally healthy and glossy because they know how to lock in moisture the right way. Rome Stride, one of the most popular Victoria's Secret angels, swears by applying oil right after washing her hair to seal in hydration and prevent dryness. Zuri Tibby, celebrated for embracing her natural curls as a Victoria's Secret model, deep conditions regularly and uses coconut oil to keep her hair healthy. She stays away from keratin treatments, no shortcuts, just consistency. Taylor Hill, an angel since 2015, deals with dry, wavy hair and uses gentle, hydrating products like the Nuance Blue Agave line and coconut oil for extra moisture. And Sarah Sampaio, the opening angel at the 2018 show, loves argan oil to protect and nourish her hair, especially in the summer when it's most vulnerable. But great hair is not the only thing that will make you glow up like a Victoria's Secret model. There's something else that pulls the whole look together, and if you skip it, the glow up is not happening. Victoria's Secret angels always look effortlessly glowing and beautiful, but there's an art behind their naturally radiant look. Their makeup routine is simple, but done differently than how most of us do it. Instead of starting with foundation, they apply concealer first, then go in with a light coverage base, skipping the finishing powder to keep the finish glowy. To bring out the cheekbones, they use shimmer, usually in crystal, bronze, or copper tones. The goal isn't sparkle, just a soft glow that catches the light naturally while keeping the eyes soft and smoky. They blend out gray or brown eyeliner for that effortless definition with double-coated mascara, no fake lashes, and finish the angel look with pink velvet lips, topped with just a bit of lip gloss. That's the routine behind the signature runway look everyone loves. But off the runway, some of the models have their own go-to tricks. To look more awake, Candace Swainpool uses cream white eyeliner. This instantly opens up your eyes, then taps a little shimmer in the inner corners. Lindsay Ellingson doesn't use blush. Instead, she uses a hydrating lipstick on the apples of her cheeks for a naturally glowing blush. Dab it on, blend it out, then go over it with a light layer of foundation to tone it down. But if you skip the next part, then this Victoria's Secret model glow-up makeup routine won't work on you. It's why their skin looks flawless before the makeup even goes on. Skincare is the angel's secret to their fresh and effortless glow, even before makeup. After weeks of watching and reading interviews, one thing stood out. Victoria's Secret models keep their skincare simple. No 10-step routines, no overloading your face with products. If you watch my videos, you know I always talk about how too many products can mess up your skin barrier. And I was actually happy to see the angels doing the same. They stick to the basics. A gentle and hydrating cleanser that effectively cleans your face without drying, like this one. A lightweight moisturizer that won't clog pores. good SPF that can also be worn as a moisturizer for no makeup days, and a light serum like hyaluronic acid or vitamin C to boost glow. That's it. And then there are ice facials too. They reduce puffiness, shrink pores, and make your skin look fresh.
Nice.
Always cleanse before ice therapy to remove dirt and oil so you're not pressing bacteria deeper into your pores with the cold. Bella Hadid dips her face in ice water for 10 to 30 seconds, 3 to 5 times a week. She says she loves how it instantly brightens up her eyes too. Candace Swainpole uses an ice roller for 2 to 5 minutes max. You can do that anywhere from 2 to 5 times a week. In the morning, it's usually just a gentle cleanser followed by SPF and a light moisturizer. At night, they remove makeup with micellar water and an oil cleanse and a hydration foam cleanser. They also apply a face mask weekly and a day before the show or shoot. Angels are all about hydration and glow, so stick to face masks that do the same. But even glowing skin can only take you so far. If you stop here, then you can forget glowing up like a Victoria's Secret model. Most people think it's just their good genes, but angels actually work out for their consistent glow. I hate to break it to you, but if you want to follow the Victoria's Secret formula, you have to work out every day. I'm sorry. Their hot bodies have a lot to do with working out daily. Bella Hadid trains 2 hours a day. These girls literally train like athletes, not to lose weight, but to stay sculpted and confident. To prevent burnout and stay motivated, they mix boxing, Pilates, Muay Thai, yoga, and functional training. But before a show, they work out even harder, training 5 to 6 days a week. It's a mix of full body strength, toning, cardio, and mobility. Adriana Lima and Candace Swainpole love HIIT because it's quick, intense, and gets results fast. But it's not all high impact. Low impact workouts like swimming, cycling, yoga, and Pilates help them stay lean and protect their joints.
Nice.
While Carly Kloss swears by boxing for sculpting your whole body. Some of them prefer dance cardio, which honestly just sounds like a party in workout form. But honestly, you don't need such an intense workout routine to glow up. Start small. Get your 10K steps in every day for cardio. Add 3 to 4 deep core Pilates workouts to stick to 3 times a week. Pilates sculpts your body and snatches your waist quickly. Strength training 2 to 3 times a week builds muscles that make you look toned and sculpted. The key is choosing workouts that actually work for your own body and goals. But no matter how hard they train, what really keeps them glowing doesn't happen in the gym. Skipping this will make all the other steps pointless. It's what ties everything together. The real reason behind their glowing skin, healthy hair, and snatch waist. The Victoria's Secret diet is realistic and simple. Lean protein, nutrient-rich carbs, hydration, minimal processed foods, and flexibility with treats. Many Victoria's Secret models focus on whole foods, gut health, and meal timing to support their intense training. Eating whole foods and supporting your gut will make the biggest change. Your digestion is very important for your energy and hormones, and even makes your skin and hair look a lot better. Whole foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Your gut is what makes you glow up from within. It helps absorb nutrients, reduce inflammation, and boost metabolism. Meal timing helps with muscle recovery and energy levels, while avoiding late-night snacking supports better sleep and hormone balance. In the morning, they focus on fueling their gut health and preparing their bodies for workouts with protein. Many of them take probiotic supplements for gut health, but they also love natural options like apple cider vinegar and ginger shots. Jasmine Tukes takes ACV shots, and Romee Stride starts her day with a ginger shot. Start small, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, or a quick ginger shot with lemon. Always listen to your body, and don't go overboard. For protein intake, they add a scoop or 2 of protein powder in their smoothies or oats. Breakfast is non-negotiable. Most of them start with something nourishing like oats, eggs, or avocado toast. Some even have a second breakfast after their workout to refuel. Sugar and alcohol are limited, especially before a shoot or show. Instead, they snack on fruit, nuts, and sip green juices. They drink 2 liters of water a day, sometimes with lemon. Lunch and dinners are clean and balanced with lean protein like fish or chicken, plenty of veggies, and just enough carbs to fuel their workouts without the bloat. But glowing up like a Victoria's Secret model isn't just about what's on the plate. Victoria's Secret models carry themselves with calm and confidence, and it's not by accident. Their mindset is what sets them apart. Practicing mindset and mental health habits like good posture makes you feel and look confident, elegant, and changes how you carry yourself. Jasmine Tukes and Adriana Lima both say confidence isn't just natural, it's something they build. Jasmine focuses on a simple routine like waking up early, working out, journaling, and sticking to a schedule to feel grounded and in control. Adriana uses positive self-talk. She literally says affirmations in the mirror before big events to boost her mindset and energy. And Sarah Sampaio swears by journaling and gratitude to stay centered. Start small with a gratitude journal and some morning positive affirmations for a positive mindset shift. Victoria's Secret angels live by discipline. Routines aren't for fitness only. They plan their mornings, meals, and beauty rituals. Everything is intentional. I know keeping track can be hard sometimes, especially when you feel like you're doing all of it alone. That's exactly why I created a free community where we support each other, exchange our best hacks, and even get to do amazing glow-up challenges together. Glowing up like a Victoria's Secret model is great, but some parts will take time and a lot of effort. Watch this video if you want to glow up overnight.